Akwaba and Faumbra Gun and Sem TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
This is one of the recommendations of the Kwesibotwe report and they say those for Mahama, youth for Mahama no womuna amend this Lusu 2016 election. So that last election, I been can't me so who send this 40 group BR. There wasn't even a single group in the NDC campaign. And that's why who they been not even a single group in the NDC. In the NDC, and just the organs of the party and the operating youth wing, women's wing, where when I'm friend BB a Zongo Caucus. Yes, and because Crawford can say during the 2016 election, no, not those for Mahama, no, then Crawford for Musemujadru, and they say Bia Yesika, and they say Bia say, and may see one of the recommendations of the Kwesibotwe report, and they say. There shouldn't be any group in the NDC, and they complied by it and make us say NDC or say there's no group NDC anymore. MPP are groups in Kwa. Obia wait for this, wait for that, wait for this, wait for that. Obia for party no. And say now then a party, the second highest decision making body of the party, it take a decision no big kankwasem. Now the conference I take a decision. Naturally at headquarters say one person walk asakasa. Cancel a whole conference. I could take a decision. Say the treasurer should report to the general secretary. Not also one place. Now, what treasurer? No person here can say in general. Not or kasa. Because MPP no. A kasa go be at me kasa. A man for kasa sa and a party ni say and say we bu ni party nim, we suro ni party nim. Go fear no park we say you know better. Any say much on Facebook. Why? Look, you can't share Kodria and the penny for say. After conference, party no it seems say a muadro. Omo form na nsi fam. Si etimi suspended Kwabena Agyapong. Se party ni timi suspended Paul Afoko. Any Sami crap. And my party ni go ahead e win election. Nobody is bigger than the MPP. That's what. Obi obedin semunu bia no. They suspend the person. Aden. Ese nkasa treasurer no. Wono a eja adwuma no ko. Nsemhuna wakodi no. Ese oja adwuma no. Ebi ni de Ebute se hwan no ye no. Se ye na ya feli obiam ko be me contest bio. Wa feli out office wo ye oni anasa wo se. O sa ko tena radio so chechense. And se wa feli a what party office wo ye oni anasa wo se. And so ye de adwuma ma as first vice. Na wa feli a. Na no so ko fie. Na wo de betuma ye adwuma no ye. Na wo treasurer se party the whole congress delegate conference take a decision na so me ye treasurer me ntiase. Free party no ko obi nche no be na force so say be party no ba. Yes we bu akunta hey. Yes say ya hey. Now o ya kese general secretary party no. The na mama general secretary be say mama no keep back. Indiscipline party no na doso. Indiscipline no adoso.
There was a press conference aba etiwa no. Akwatia no. Omo mu nyina tena obi o. Omo di pop up. Say mumu say no tena ho me ho na ka say Solomon no nini obia.
Oh, we have the video. Asante betime me. Asante my video no.
Wa kenne ade akeye say Godon Adamfo Dr. Grace ayensu dankwa
so akodi ntro
ni certificate
on there so mu ade o obakoko nini o kwan asin obia
Adamfo no yes you are full professor
so na waka wasem to ka wasem na menka dey menka bi
is
I would come wasem sabes mo de meka
obia eno anu no enti party no omoma discipline emma party nim omoma build the party and conformation party no
that bed na one just could akasa last week.
I think last week, yes.
Okasa kama. Banu e mobo. Discipline the party. Say do say obia ko gina bi ko gina nifa. O frɛ wi na kasa wo tell say hey! O frɛ na kasa wo tell say hey! O frɛ say and the way can be and the way you say and the way you say party be party ni wono. Koku ayehu. The party is living dangerously because of indiscipline. In fact, ye di nipa ena ye party mum. Nanso so enipa betimi edinze hunu nti ena ehye mra emaku obia. Se ubum ekonumra so se ye yiwadi a. E wo se ye yiwadi.
Godon.
Kakre samwade ye ken. In the history of MPP, one of the most monumental decisions a partner take you.
And we are told, say, this my committee Kurenshia, or to elect another Butchie.
What letter say, oh, where dear was Mills could be a better president? Straight away, what's the matter?
I want to crack that one better
president could and they a Bible say about a simple. It should be balanced, but it's a baby man and balance there. Such a blessing. What can be refused?
Paul, or catch you as a phone. Momoti asafumu. And then you probably was a flume no mudim because I said I'm here. Mompam flash afumu. I saw him po. What you guys a mompam flash or no? I saw no any share. Party MPP, I say, any papa could pet. And I'm MPP. In some who be a course before the conference. And I'm MPP. Party no, I is so weak to this. One patcho and ne, I can say, why the presidential aspirant of the L party? A video. But party a conference. Na party no share say past leaders of the party yanya billboards yanya flyers nefa enyomo omo goodwill message omo mfoni any ade nefa nhim na yesin krofobia sore say omo ye presidential aspirants nti omo makwan emeyenfa Dr. Bawumia de enhim na enunti party de hu America say na omo yefim na mbisa say on their capacity as who or as what? Because as ye can say party in be a nomination, there is no flag bearer aspirant. There is no aspirant. But party no as so indiscipline so because obi say me we interest say me contest and say you know that then the mama yin ko do adin film na ko dey on contest bi
then the mama yin ayi 17 din film
esa wunya
na kwa Agyapong
kwa Agyapong no mama yin dia film
e din ba mu
adon mama yin kofo dia film na party no eso so sa na ma we so ko ya obi be ka say we ye we nipa penifo say usuro atechempa bo afra ntuma
mama nipa ba ko hijack party
usuro atechempa bo afra ntuma
muntimi nka nipa ba ko
why abodio sa abodio se ene e de komeka sanka papo ya laji ene no
mama nipa ba
mo want discipline emra party nim
na mo ti wo
mo discipline na party nim na party nim timi nyina na so party nim fa no tuma penfra can you imagine ugidi say ebesida say din ketia aye press conference say akwatia by election e ba so NDC nko na okoyoti akwatia no say memeko who bondo
omo boys na me yakọ buo no anka
na wo kan we can say we nipa
abrante bi yi ni ti say wa nejo mahama e ko contest
e se nketia de no
e se nketia mane boardam
wo say abrante bi de so akwachire kwabradu for de no mo de ye no kwabradu for ye former governor former finance minister ade no mo de ye kwabradu for kwajobo nso de no mo de ye no what I say mama discipline ma party nim na munyan e na me de me pese obi abeka say me wo ha e na ma yese na ma yese hey mun kayo na party na ko dinkugo 42%. The next election no mo de say ko mo de mo kwa kwatia mo nye say ya na mo kwa kwatia ko dinkugo mfamra beba na party headquarters no krofo bi akotu mo ka mo nyina gu abonti no say yes
o ma ko to nka
that is everything that to mu anan de o ma pay interim management committee no ma hwe party ni so krofo ebetimi de o mo na sif ma ye adwuma no what is this na party na committee na ko ye adwuma ye the break council approve na council say any person say na enko na obi cement ase won't you see sign
say free party look to party
o contribution to the party guys
and no say won't you see a party won't mean them now
intelligence am pick actually say and NPP nomination
and yes
say wo ye obi a person ogina party ni din mu a you should be able to cough at least 4.5 million to the party and 5 million Ghana cedis to the party. If you are not ready and able to do that,
look, so what
last time
what I know is say wokofa forms na